So I'm going to do another one of my simple landscapes. I'm going to use Colorex Blue Cosmos. No, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use Blue Cosmos Sepia, and on this one I'm going to add some of the Pearl Medium. You really don't need very much at all. So we've got that Cosmos Blue, then we have the Sepia here. And then finally I'm just going to put a bit of this Pearl Medium. Okay, I'll take that in to try and get a clean brush this time. Just paint some water across there and just touch into it in places. Now at the bottom I'm going to go into that Pearl Medium and spread it across. Sepia has come out more, so I want to have a little bit more of that blue going through. I think the key to this is to not fiddle too much. I don't like that little blob I've got there, so I'm going to try and smoosh that out a little bit. Show you that again when it's dried. I'm just trying to get a little bit of that sparkle visible. So now this is dried off, I'm just trying to get that little shimmer visible to you.